Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate all of my steps and apply them to your own browser. So as I said, let me open Google Chrome, and all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. So it is right here. And now we've got two different ways. The quickest option and the most basic option is here. So clear browsing data. After tapping on it, we will be able to remove browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, I believe. We can change the time range and simply tap on clear data. By tapping on it, we can open more options, so more advanced options to remove. However, I'll show you how to get there manually, because I'd like to also show you a list of previously visited websites. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. Here we've got the list of visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually here just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Let's tap on clear browsing data at the top. And as I said, those are basic options which are removed in the first way I've shown you. And here we've got advanced options, so we can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Just mark the option you want to remove. Again, change the time range if you want to, of course. Let me choose all time and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.